In this short video, I will be telling you how to quickly use flashcard for quick and rapid revision of your biology as well as physics and chemistry. Okay, so right now you are seeing a Achiever batch page, the same flashcard functionality and all the the instruction I will be giving you will be valid for Catalyst batch for NEET 2023 and Inspire batch for NEET 2022. So you need to first click on the menu, then you can go on to my flashcard option, which is the fifth option from the top, or you can click on the course content. Okay, you see the drop down menu, click on flashcards, right? Once you see the flashcards, now this flashcard is for the living world. You can select the subject and the chapter. So I'm going to select botany, and chapter I would like to go to morphology of flowering plants. Now guys, you can see at the bottom there is 132 flashcard. If you scroll to the left, you will see the index. You click on index, you can directly jump to whatever flashcard you want to. Suppose you were revising and you left at 94th flashcard, you can directly go to 94th flashcard. Now the flashcards are based on the concept of active recall and spaced repetition. Active recall in the sense, you see the Fabaceae family was earlier called as, you don't remember, it was given in NCERT, you click on show answer, it was known as this, and the NCERT page number and paragraph is also mentioned so that you can go and refer. Right now this was active recall because you're not seeing the answers and you're trying to stress on your neurons to recall the information. Right now, if you bookmark the flashcard by clicking on this button, which has become black now this flashcard is bookmarked for you. If you want to add additional note to this, some additional note, you can type and save changes. Okay, this is valid for all the flashcard of physics, chemistry, biology. Now once you have bookmarked the flashcard, right, suppose I bookmark few more flashcards. Okay, now you can see, you can toggle left and right with the help of the toggle buttons, and I have bookmarked some flashcards for this chapter of morphology of flowering plant. I click on the bookmarks and then I can see only the bookmark flashcard. If I click on the index, see, I have bookmarked 94, 95 and 96 flashcard. These are bookmarked. Now when I will be revising then I will be seeing only these flashcards. See, the flashcards are covering all the NCERT lines. Now those NCERT lines which are problematic for me, I will be bookmarking them, and on this principle I will be doing spaced repetition. Like I will be revising again and again whenever and wherever I go. For example, you have got 5 minutes of time, you are waiting on the dining table for the food to be served. You can use flashcard and revise, right? Or before going to sleep, right, before falling asleep on the bed, usually we waste 30 to 40 minutes of time, right? We try to sleep, we don't fall asleep, and we keep on scrolling things. Instead of scrolling Instagram, Facebook, etc., you can scroll the flashcards and revise things, right? This will increase the utilization of time on day-to-day basis, and trust me, it will be a great boon. Okay, so this was the bookmark feature of flashcard. Now see, you have bookmarked the flashcard, you have added note. This is valid for all the flashcards. Now I want to show you some specific flashcards, that is, these were the textual flashcards I want to tell you about. So I'm removing the bookmark filter. Now I will click on index, and then I will show to you the very special flashcards, which are diagrammatic flashcards. It will help you revise even the diagrams of NCERT here. Okay, so you can see, you can mark A and B, you can try to recall what was A, what was B, you can see the answer, and you can refer to NCERT in case you want. See, this was the image of the seed. It is frequently asked, right? So you can recall it from here, actively recall rather. You're not passively recalling, you're not opening the book and recalling. You have to, for example, here you have to actively recall the floral formula of which family is it, right? Brassicaceae. Okay, and the NCERT page number and figure number is also mentioned, so you can refer to it. Now these were the biology flashcard. Suppose you go to physics flashcard. Okay, physics and physical chemistry flashcards are two-layered flashcards. Suppose I'm going to laws of motion. Now in laws of motion, FBD drawing is the most important thing. You should know how to draw an FBD. So this is a question, and for which you will be asked to draw FBD. Okay, now I will show you the answer. Now it is showing you the correct format of FBD. Now this is a dual layered flashcard because here I will click on show questions, and you will also see the questions which are linked in the question bank related to this particular FBD. Okay, this particular flashcard, and you can practice the question right here, and you can mark and see the explanation. Suppose I did it right, suppose it was wrong. Now I can see the explanation, right? Right here I can see it in the flashcard itself. I can bookmark this flashcard. Sorry. If I go back, yes, I can bookmark the flashcard, and then I can see it in the bookmark menu. so as to revise later on. So here are the flashcards for active recall as well as spaced repetition. Please use them wisely before any test and even before your NEET examination. It is available for all the batches, Achiever batch, Inspire batch and Catalyst batch. So now here is your here I have answered all your queries related to flashcard. Same is valid for the chemistry flashcards as well. You can explore them on your own. All the best, guys.